Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I am going to show you some tips and tricks on how to use our silicone nail stamper. Let's get into it. When using your silicone nail stamper for the first time, you can lightly buff the stamper to help prevent the gel from shrinking. Make sure to wipe the silicone clean before applying your gel color. Don't press your nail in the center of the gel, as this will cause the polish to go under your nails and onto your skin. Instead, press your nail just below the gel. This will give you a clean application with minimal to no polish on the skin. If gel does get on your skin, clean with our nail polish remover pen or a lint-free wipe before curing. Do not go overboard by applying the gel too thick and wide. You want a single even strip like so. Pressing too far into the nail in a straight position can result in uneven coverage and a less curvy French tip. Press the silicone tool into the nail at a 45-degree angle, moving it side to side. Slowly pull away from the nail so that the gel nail polish can evenly disperse onto the tip. To create a thicker French tip, push further down the nail. To create a micro French tip, only push around the edge of the nail. To achieve a more defined smile line, apply the gel in a V shape, making sure the gap is wide enough for your nail so that it doesn't get onto your skin. Always wipe your stamper clean and pop the lid back on, ready for the next use. Thanks for watching.